In this video, we are going to show you some tips, tricks, and what you shouldn't do. This to make sure you use your botic 1900 to its full potential. Make sure you clear the floor of cables as much as possible. The botic can detect obstacles with a minimum height of 1.5 centimeters, but it's good practice to clear the floor before you start cleaning. Height differences are fine, but make sure the height difference isn't greater than 2 centimeters. That way, the botic 1900 can easily move over it. There are also some things you shouldn't do with the botic 1900. We will go through them one by one. The sensor system of the botic 1900 doesn't like high contrast in the carpet. When this is the case, the machine won't work properly. So don't use the botic 1900 on high contrast carpets. Also avoid high poly carpet. High poly carpet can get stuck in the machine. It's also possible that the high poly and high contrast carpet will trigger the cliff sensors. You can disable the cliff sensors via the app. Just make sure there is nothing the botic 1900 can fall down from. Also, don't put wet brushes or wet filters back in the machine, as this can damage it. Don't open the dustbin collector before it's fully removed from the botic 1900. Otherwise, dust and debris will get stuck in the machine and damage it. Now you know the tips, tricks, and what not to do with the botic 1900, so you can use it optimally.